Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine, and I've got something really nice to show you today. This is a Myford Super 7 lathe. It's made in England. It has a 7-inch swing over the bed, a 10-inch swing over the gap, and it's 19 inches between center. It has a 1 1/8 12 spindle thread with the Morse taper number 2 spindle taper in both the headstock and the tailstock. Has a 4-step pulley on the spindle with back gear. Two-speed counter shaft. Change gears are in really nice condition. To let the hood down, I have to pull this button. Has a nice cross slide where you mount all the accessories. Four-way tool post, compound, thread dial, three-jaw chuck, I'm kind of tricky doing it one-handed. On-off switch, forward and reversed. Carriage is really smooth. Also use a fine feed here. Or you can use power feed. And engage right here. It's really, really smooth and quiet. I haven't tried the coolant pump. And so normally when I get lathes in like this is how I sell them, with kind of basic tooling. But this one came with a bunch extra, and it just seems like it should stay with the machine. I have another burnered 4-inch 3-jaw, extra set of jaws, 6-inch 4-jaw chuck, milling attachment, dead centers, back plate, 1 drive plate, 6 3/4-inch face plate, 9-inch face plate, vise, live center, crotch center, interchangeable heads, follower rest, angle plates, another vise. Not sure what those two guys are. Collet attachment. Two more four-way tool post, and I guess that's a, what is that, 6-way tool post? That bolts right to the slide. Wrenches. Rotary table. Guess that's where the extra 3-jaw comes in handy. Horizontal and vertical. No, there's a dividing head with another 3-jaw. Tailstock. So I know people are going to want me to separate some of this tooling, but my plan is to let it go with the lathe. This guy spent a long time collecting all of this, and I think it's pretty cool. Thanks for looking, guys.